Have.
Okay, go.
We're gonna have fun with him.
All right.
Don't move. Don't move.
Put in his nose.
Oh, don't worry.
Oh my Lord, what are you doing, Katie? Lisa.
Hold on. Hold on, don't move. Don't move. Keep your mouth shut. Don't move. Keep it shut. Don't open it. Okay. You get the other half. Is it video?
Yeah.
Don't put it in your sides. Or zeros.
Don't move. Don't laugh. You're gonna have to eat all this too. I expect you to lick it.
Oh, nice.
Just don't move. You look so cool right now.
Call me up.
Cheese Whiz is the best. You guys see this? Cheese Whiz. Oh, what the hell?
What are you doing?
What are you doing right here?
No, I watched it before.
Okay. Draw a heart.
I was gonna do that.
Oh my God, we think alike.
Wait, we're missing dots. We're missing dots.
Okay, wait. We're gonna go show your grandpa, okay? Okay. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, wait. Okay, I think we're good. Don't move.
Don't drop no cheese on the floor.
Okay, we got this. Miley.
Walk slowly.
Okay.
Keep your head up.
Don't move. We're gonna show everybody. Let him guess what we did it with. Put your head up. It's okay. Look, he's
Cheese
smart.
Whiz.
Okay, show your grandpa.
What's new?
Look at him, Grandpa Lyle.
I can't.
You can't. You don't see it?
Don't forget I'm half blind.
He looks creepy. Here, come on. We're gonna go show Sean.
Now you need to put rinse on his face. Put rinse on his face now.
Okay. You go get crackers and start eating it.
Where are they, Robert? Lead us.
Yeah, where is it?
Lead us. But you're not wearing shoes, so don't step on crazy.
Is that cheese?
It's Cheese Whiz.
Holy crap, does this say hi?
Go show Sean. Sean, what do you think of his Cheese Whiz? Cool.
Okay, eat it. Lick your face. Lick your face. Lick it all. Get it. Get it. Get it all. Get on video. You're evil. You're evil. You're evil. Wipe it in the grass. I can't breathe. Wait. Here, Katie, come get it up close.
What?
Okay, we can stop it.
Okay.